AssetWhere can include Arborist reports which can be attached to the tree data information, which highlights key information, for example, health and structural ratings, life expectancy, landscape significance, and so on. So let's have a look. I've come in here to the layer manager. I'm focusing on the trees here, which I've got selected. I'm clicking on this tree, which is a spotted gum. And now it's giving me some key information. It's got a health rating of good, structural rating of fair. It's got heavily suppressed, which means that it's experiencing some strong competition from surrounding vegetation, which may slow its growth down. It's got some wounds, so it might have one or more branches that have broken off. And it's leaning in a moderate way to the direction of the sunlight. So if it's near infrastructure or paths, which it is, then it will need to be regularly inspected. So if I close that one down, I click on this other tree, which is again a spotted gum. And we know that spotted gums can grow to an enormous size, and they have quite invasive tree roots, which could potentially damage any of the surfaces running underneath the school here. So if I come and click on services, and if I select gas here and I want to see where the gas pipes are, you can see it's quite close to this tree on the screen. Now if I also select sewage and I turn on the sewage pipes, both of the trees which we've looked at have sewage pipes running really close to them, which is something the school's really going to have to keep an eye on. So what AssetWhere allows schools to do is view their key services, identify if there are any potential issues in relation to their trees that need to be addressed before they start causing any major disruptions to the school.